Skomer is a small island in the southwest corner of Wales. It's famous for its seabird colonies. Thousands of puffins, razorbills and shearwaters make Skomer their home. The island itself is an ancient treeless landscape, little changed since the Iron Age. The remnants of stone walls from this time can still be seen. This is the wick, where thousands of seabirds nest on thin ledges. But it is the colourful puffins that steal the show. Here on the island, there are no rats, weasels or other predators that stop such colonies forming on the mainland. They come to Skomer in April, where they meet up again with their lifelong partner. They raise a solitary chick and then leave the island already by the end of June. The rest of the year they spend on their own, feeding and sleeping on the high seas, sometimes as far out as Iceland. The scientific name for puffin is fratercula, which means friar or little brother in Latin, and refers to the black and white robes of the monks and maybe the way they used to scurry among the cloisters. The rather comical, fat, dumpy look of the puffin is due to its oversized pectoral muscles. These huge muscles allow the bird to dive and catch fish as far down as 60 meters. These are razorbills that could dive twice as deep again as the puffins. The May flower displays are some of the best in Britain, making Skomer the world-class nature experience that it is. Red campions and bluebells ring out as far as the eye can see.